बिग बॉस के घर से काफी सारे ऐसे नाम हैं जो सामने निकल कर आते हैं, जो वाकई में अपने करियर में बिग बॉस को एक बूस्ट की तरह इस्तेमाल करते हैं। इवन दो वो काफी ज्यादा नामचीन कलाकार हैं अपने अपने इंडस्ट्रीज में, चाहे वो हो सिंगिंग या एक्टिंग, लेकिन बिग बॉस बन जाता है उनका लाइमलाइटेड पॉइंट, बिकॉज बिग बॉस देता है उनको एक ऐसा खास प्लेटफॉर्म लाखों करोड़ों ऑडियंस तक एक साथ पहुंचने का। ऐसा ही कुछ हुआ है एक पॉपुलर पंजाबी सिंगर हिमांशी खुराना के साथ। हिमांशी जो कि रह चुकी हैं बिग बॉस 13 का हिस्सा, इवन दो वो पंजाबी म्यूजिक इंडस्ट्री में काफी नामचीन कलाकार हैं, लेकिन बिग बॉस बना उनके करियर का सबसे बड़ा अहम बूस्टिंग पॉइंट। Well, she is one of the most popular Punjabi singers and has managed to rule the hearts of the nation after her participation in the controversial reality show. After her journey inside, Himanshi continued to entertain all her fans with her music videos, and the latest one on the list is Surma Bole, which has also been promoted at one of the most prestigious places, that is Times Square in New York. लेकिन फिर भी हिमांशी ने अपने करियर में जहां इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स और उनको एस किए हैं, कितनी बार ऐसा हुआ होगा कि शायद हिमांशी ने किसी मिसकंसेप्शन को लेते हुए या फिर शायद फेक कॉल्स जैसे हमारे प्रोडक्शन से आती रहती हैं उसके चलते हुए किया होगा किसी सीरियल, किसी मूवी, किसी गाने को इनकार। जी हाँ दोस्तों, इसी बारे में बात करते हुए हिमांशी नजर आई और उन्होंने किया रिवील कि क्यों उन्होंने एक ऐसे खास अहम मूवी को किया था डिनाई करने से, क्योंकि उनको लगा कि वो थी एक फेक कास्टिंग कॉल। जब हिमांशी से पूछा गया about her plans of doing some work in Hindi cinema, Himanshi not only revealed the reason for it being delayed, but also told how she lost out on working with John Abraham in his movie Parmanu because of the uncertainty. जी हाँ दोस्तों, इसी बारे में खुलकर बात करते हुए हिमांशी कहती हैं, It is not just about my choice. I want to do something in Hindi space, but to say yes for a project, you need to get those kinds of projects also. It's not the artist who decides. It has to be a mutual decision of an artist and a producer. I don't want a role which is all about eye candy. I have said earlier that I am not comfortable showing my skin. I don't feel comfortable wearing revealing clothes. I am looking out for roles which will be based on my character and not my attire. I really want to do something different, and if that right role will come to me, I will surely say yes to it. Not only that, उन्होंने ये बताया कि एक ऐसी खास मूवी उन तक आई भी थी, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली उन्होंने इनकार कर दिया था। उन्होंने कहा, One of the very popular comedians of Punjab had recently come as a judge on my ongoing show, and he told me that we called you so many times, then why didn't you say yes to the movie we were offering you? So that movie was called as Bamboo Cart, and it was a story about two girls where one girl was shown as a dark-skinned one and the other one was a fair one. I was offered to play the girl with the fairer skin, whereas in the movie that dark complexioned girl was shown receiving a lot of criticism. The complete emotional focus was on that dark skinned girl. So I thought, why to take up a project when the complete focus is on her and it's her journey at the end of the day? Where is my character being justified? So I ended up saying no to it. Beyond that, I was also offered a multi-star film, but I was not up for that one. And all the big banners which were offered to me are only 1 or 2 scenes, and then songs came into the movie. Which means they just want me to be a part of songs, which I am anyway doing, and what's the point of saying yes to such roles? इसी बात पे the actor went on to reveal that she also left John Abraham's movie Parmanu. उन्होंने कहा, I had left one Hindi movie also, and that was Parmanu starring John Abraham. I was in Delhi when this film got offered to me, and a lot of people compelled me to take this up. It was his wife's role, but honestly speaking, I was not able to believe it. I wasn't feeling very sure about the movie. There wasn't anything wrong in it. From the maker's side, in fact, they had ended up convincing me a lot, but in the back of my mind, I was thinking that why would somebody offer this role to someone from Punjab? My mind was completely puzzled, and at that point in time, I said no. लेकिन बाद में मुझे इस बात का एहसास हुआ कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी फेक नहीं बल्कि रियल थी। Ask her if she went on to regret of losing out on a film that she says, No, not at all. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा यही सोचती हूँ कि अगर मेरे साथ ये चीज नहीं हुई तो वो मेरे लिए ही था ना। During Big Boss also 4 times discussions happened and I said no to it, but eventually I went there because something good was supposed to happen, and it's all about destiny. Himanshi would like to play performance-oriented roles now is what she says. My preference for films is very different, like Taapsee Pannu's Pink is what I like. Before that, Taapsee had done a number of films in South, and that time I saw her in one of my parties in South. I was there for a brand shoot, and I was like, she is such a beautiful girl. But during that time, I used to read articles where she used to get criticized, but that's not her mistake. When you will offer her the character, she will be able to prove herself, which she got in the movie Pink. Exactly like Abhishek Bachchan in Breathe. तो उनमें कभी भी टैलेंट की कमी नहीं थी। उनको पहले ही रोल ऐसे आए कि लोगों को उनकी तरक्की से जज करने लग पड़े। So with me, this is the case. If I have waited for so many years, so either I want a performance-oriented film or else I don't want it. And for that thing, I am pretty much clear in my head. Well, हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिमांशी को गुड लक विश कर सकते हैं और उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि हिमांशी अपने करियर में ग्रो करती हुई नजर आए। हिमांशी अपने ये ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट को बहुत जल्द पा सके। आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर शेयर करिएगा कि आप क्या सोचते हैं हिमांशी के दिए गए इस बड़े बयान के बारे में। Until then, stay tuned to Telly Chocker for all the more updates for the Telly world.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chocker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.